Alright, so welcome to the another video of the analysis. So this time we will be analyzing the price action of ionet token. So this is the Twitter handle of ionet. As you can see, they are promising that AI compute as a currency powered by IO, internet of GPU. So they are building an internet, a whole cluster of the GPUs, and currently they have 500k plus subscribers, which is huge. And if I see the price action of this ionet, which is currently as 3.87, which is fair, and the whole market cap is 369 million, and the price when it was launched, which is around $4, and now it went up to 6.3 and then back to 3.87. So this is very recent launch, and I think this is a very strong project. And if I go to the Twitter, then I have a very interesting video to show. This is a presenting the IO Summit keynote annual demo of io.net. So if you see this video, I will not be explaining the whole video because I might get a copyright strike for this video. So if you see, he is the founder. So he is the founder of this ionet. And let me unmute this. So if you see, so they have like Aptos founder is there with ionet, and another interesting thing is they have Solana founder also there. So they have Aptos founder, they have Solana founder, they have investment from Sandbox and lots of big people of the crypto industry. So this project is really good, and they have lots of strong foundation into the engineering and technology part. And if I go to this is the website where the worker, cloud, ID, explorer, each and everything. So what they are doing is, so they are actually lowering the cost of GPU and CPUs. So we go to the Amazon, we go to the Google, we go to the Microsoft Azure, and we try to buy all these compute power, and the cost is very high. So what they are doing is they are building a basically decentralized computing where the normal people like us, we can rent our machine. Like this machine is rented right now. As you can see, my MacBook Pro is running, and I'm giving compute to the ionet, and this is being rented, and somebody must be using it at the back in a very secure way, in a very decentralized way. So they are doing very interesting thing. If I go to the price action part, so they are doing phenomenally good thing. So if I go to the price action part, so currently it is standing at 3.88 and 368 million market cap. So as we all know that we have to analyze based on the market bull cycle. So we believe that the market will end by the 2025 December, and till that time, if you see through token unlocks, we can see around 250 million token will be unlocked, will be into the market. And currently we have around 95 million. So that means around 40% supply will be currently actually circulating, and 60% supply will come for the next 1.5 year. So chances is that I'm expecting if ionet goes well, so this will be having around 30 to 40 billion market cap. I'm expecting if 40 billion market cap is there, if 40 billion market cap is there, and with the 250 million tokens into the market, so by the simple math, we will be having around $120 price of this ionet. So for the lower case, let's keep this to be around $100, $90. It's very 30x or 25x easily. So ionet is in a very really good position. So if somebody is looking to buy, if somebody looking to ape into the good project, so I think ionet is one of them. It is fantastic. So this is about the price action. I think this is good. Lots of good people are here. Aptos is there, Solana is there, and technical things are already solved by the ionet, and they have lots of users who are running their Solana node, this ionet node. So if you go to this section and if I go to the Explorer, then you could understand what exactly happening into the ionet. So let it be loaded. So right now, if you see, around 50,000 CPUs are running. People have rented around 50,000 CPUs and 177k GPUs, which is high, which is insane. And if I specifically see India, so in India, if you see, okay, so around 60 GPUs are there and 19 CPUs are there, and total 7 M1s are here and M2 are 8, and out of which I have 1. So this is the stats. Just go to it, this Explorer, and try to explore each and everything. Then you will understand why ionet is a good project. So that's about the price. So price is going to be very good in the coming days. This is what I believe. This is not a financial advice. This is what I personally think, because this is a good project. Another thing which is very important for this is, apart from the price action, which is nodes. So lots of people are asking me into the comment section and into the DM, like how to run node for the Windows. So I will explain everything here. So let's go to this docs. So this is a doc of the ionet. So they are running an ignition reward program. So season 1, season 2 done, actually season 3 is running now, and the dates for this is 1st of June to 30th of June, and currently we are sitting at 19th of June. So we have 10 or to 11 days more. So if you are looking to farm these rewards, ionet token rewards, which actually I have already created a video on that. So it's very simple. Just go and start running your node. You might get a good reward. So they have worker rewards, and around 5 million tokens will be distributed for the season 3. So they have everything. It's 25% allocated to the CPU compute and 75% allocated to the GPU computes. And these are the multipliers. So points will be generated based on these multipliers. Like the better you have machine, the better chances that you will get good points. So this is the dashboard, and they have mentioned the Apple multiplier. So M1 Pro, M1 Max, M2, and lots of things are here. So these are multipliers. So I don't think you have to focus on these things. So if you have good machine, if you wanted to rent it out, just create your node, run, and give compute to the ionet. So people were asking about the Windows. So how to run their node and how to give compute to the ionet as if you are having a Windows GPU. So what you have to do is just go to this section, go to the worker section, and click on the new worker. So once you click on the connect new worker, it will ask about the device name. So let's put here Windows device and rename it. And it is asking about the operating system. Let's choose Windows. If you have Mac, you can choose Mac. I have created a separate video for the Mac, but this time let's go with the Windows. So if you have GPU or CPU, let's choose GPU. And these are the supported GPUs right now, and click on the next button. Once you click, they have 2-3 steps. First step is download the Docker. So you have to go to this link and you have to download the Docker. So currently I'm using Mac, that's why it is showing me suggestion for the Mac. Just choose the Windows and download it. So once you download the Mac, second step is click the link and follow these steps. So you have to click on this link and it will take you to the guides. And once you go to the guide, click on the IO worker and then installing on Windows. So install in Windows. So just scroll down and you will see, if you complete this first step, which is downloading the Docker, and these are the steps: run, install, and finish. And at the end, click on the Docker version just to see if you are getting this. That means your Docker is installed. So Docker is done. So next step is CUDA toolkit. So you have to install the CUDA toolkit, which is you can download it by following the link of the CUDA here. So when you click here, so they will have all the things. So go to the NVIDIA CUDA toolkit. So if you click, then this will come up and you have to choose the exact configuration that your machine has, like Windows, Linux, and lots of specification will be asked, and you have to download it. So let's go to this over here. So you have to choose Windows, then local file, and then download it. So once you download, it is 3 GB of file. And once you are done, then you have to download the next thing, which is NVIDIA driver. So open the terminal and the same step, download the NVIDIA driver. So these are optional things, but you have to do it because if you are giving a GPU compute, then you have to download and follow these steps. Very simple step, just follow one by one and you will come to the end. So once you are done, you will see this thing. What you have to do, once you click over this link, you will get a binary file, which I have already downloaded here, ionet launch binary. So once you get this binary, you have to click and execute it. So once you execute, then you will see a terminal comes up and it will ask you to copy the link and verify that you have right permissions. So once you click, it will ask you, let me go to the video which I have shared for the ionet, what will come, so that you could understand what exactly will happen. So where is the ionet video? Okay, this. Let me mute it. Okay. So once you click to that binary, it will basically show you a screen with this. Exactly, yeah. This is the screen. So once you click, it will come up with this and you have to copy this URL from this place to this with the user code, and just copy and paste to the Chrome or any browser you have and just run it. Once you run it, you have to authenticate it. When authentication is done, that's all. It will go to the let's go to the second step. All right, so this is what I did. So once you do this, continue with Google. So I have signed up using Google, then I will be choosing Google for this. So once done, you will see a congratulations screen, all set, and then go to the terminal again and it will ask, do you want to continue? So it will basically remove all the dockers and then done. You have to say yes. So it will remove all the containers into the Docker and it will install new one. And once all done, you have to wait for 5 or 10 minutes and it will show the status of the machine to here. So you have to click on the connect device. So once all steps are done, you have to click on the connect device and wait for the connection. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to get the connection, and then ultimately your machine will be into the running state. So that's all about the Windows. It's very simple. One question mostly people ask me about the verification state. So basically is that verification state actually updated every 30 minutes around. So you have to wait and don't worry about that. If it takes around 1 day, then you can complain and try to running it again, but it will come after 30 minutes around. So running a Windows Windows node is very easy. Just follow these steps what I am sharing, and based on the price action, I think this is a good project and you should consider it for the investment. This is not a financial advice, just a suggestion what I personally feel. So that's all. See you into the next video. Thank you.